we'll just go ahead and get into this thing.
Y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I don't want to delay too much on this one, man. This is one I've had for a little bit. It's just kind of been sitting here, pushed a few other videos ahead of this release. But this is one that I most definitely had to have. So let's get into it, man. Let's go ahead and get into that. As you can see, yet again, Bron box. Yo, before this point, I might have had the most shoes in this collection. The one shoe is between Jordan 1s and I think LeBron 11s, I think, are the most. But I really like the LeBron 11. That was probably one of my favorite shoes. LeBron 10s, LeBron's 11s. I really like both of those. But as you all could tell probably over the last year, last few months, the LeBron 16 has just, man, I really think they knocked it out the park with that shoe, man. And it's just been so many of them. It's so many of those LeBron 16s and those colorways. And I'm like, I like just about every one that is released. I have to tell myself, all right, I like these, but you don't need these. You don't need those. You don't need those. All right, you're getting those. But I don't need these, and I don't need these, but I'm getting these. Like, it just, I feel like they knocked it out the park with the LeBron 16. They really did their damn thing on LeBron 16. And it's easily, man, I own every single LeBron 1 through 16 now. And I really think the 16s are in my top 5. 16s are definitely in my top 5 of LeBron's models. So, getting into this one, man, this is the LeBron 16, of course. Colorway is Court Purple, Tour Yellow, and size 14, of course, in these. All right. And the retail on these boys is $185. What? We're going to go ahead and get into it, man. I'll talk about it more as we go. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. These are the LeBron 16 Martin, based off of the 90s sitcom Martin, starring Martin Lawrence and Tisha Campbell and Tichina Arnold and, you know, all those guys back in those days. I was actually, me and LeBron, if we're going to be honest about it, me and LeBron were probably too young to be really watching that show and understanding what was really going on. But, because I remember when I was little and that show was on, I had to be like 8 or 9. Like 10, it was on for a little while, but I was really little. It wasn't like I was a teenager during Martin's run. And, you know, you're a little bit older, you can start to get a little bit of those, you know, situations that's happening. But I was a little kid. We both, me and LeBron is 5 months older than I am. So we're about the same age. So probably shouldn't have been watching that show. But anyway, this shoe is based off of that show, as Martin was one of LeBron's favorite shows growing up. As, you know, it was one of mine. I watched it all the time with my parents and my brother. But on the back here, you have some of the quotes from the show. You have the, "What's up?" That's on the back right there. And then you have, hold on, let me adjust my glasses. You have the, "Damn it, Gina. You ain't got no job, man." That's on the back there as well. Just a bunch of quotes going around. I don't know if you'll be able to see some of that. talking about Tommy ain't got no job. Oh my goodness. That's going underneath that what's up. You got the oh my goodness. Shanae, of course. We got the GTD. You know what I'm saying? We got the GTD right here for got the draws right there. That's what that's for. I can't see what's get to stepping. Get to stepping. That's right there. Bruh man from the fifth flow. That's going right there. We got a bunch of the going around there. Cause I'm a lady. More Shanae stuff. We got Jerome in the house. I say Jerome in the house. Okay, that's on there too. We got that going down there in the bottom. Just a bunch of the quotes from the show going around the back here. I think that's a nice touch. If we got the dang, what's that? I can't see what it's something else up here, but it's cut off a little bit. But this Nike logo here and the colorway of the shoe laces is double laces, which is is that on any other LeBron? No, that's not on any other 16. So that's pretty cool. It's double laces in here. So you got two separate laces, your yellow laces and these orange laces. I think that's a nice, unique touch, man. You can decide, hey, maybe I just want to rock the yellow laces or the orange laces, or you can leave it like this. I think I'm going to leave it just as it is with the doubles. I think I'm going to leave it with the doubles in there because that's a nice touch. But that Nike logo is, you know, throwback 90s vintage, you know, writing there, the font. And then on the tongue here, that's based off of the logo for the Martin show, that LJ right there. That's a very dope touch. The purple going around there. That's also how the, you know, the logo represented. I mean, the show represented back in those days. It's more so like the first intro for the Martin show. Not so much the later ones, but the first intro was more like these colors. You know what I mean? And then on the bottom, white, baby blue there, the middle there. And then more of that orange and yellow on the LJ up there. And then Dunkman there. I would allow it on this one again because they got the quotes for Martin on the back there. With the, did I mention that the yellow Nike check there? Got some yellow going around the heel there with the BBZ for his Braun, Bryce, and Ziri, his kids, 330. That's the Akron area code. Strive for greatness, and OH there on the side here. OH, of course, for Ohio. And that's pretty much it. Oh, okay. Let me take the tree out. And then on the inside, hope you all be able to see that, it's LeBron written like the Martin logo. So you got LeBron written on the inside there like the Martin logo. That is a very nice touch. I never even noticed that before. I didn't even notice that was like that. That's pretty cool. Okay. I didn't even know that was there. That's a nice touch that they did that. Let me go ahead and check out the right boy. Let's check out the right boy and see if there's any differences. Right. Shoe. Second. Alright, so we got the right boy right here. And if there is any differences on the right boy, on the side here, instead of his children's initials, we got the 2-3, his initials, LRJ, 503, and then 3. I believe that 3 stands for his championships. That 503, I want to say, what is that 503? I think that's the Portland area code. I want to say that one's Portland. That's not, you know, Cleveland or anything. Same Martin quotes on the back here. You go, boy. I didn't notice that. Was you go, boy on here? It's cut off. Okay. You go, boy is on the right. It's not cut off. So that one's on the right there. if you all can see that. No, Jerome's in the house. Get to stepping. Oh my goodness. You ain't got no job, man. Okay, yep. All of the quotes, most of the quotes on there, they only had the "You Go Boy" on the right one because it was cut off on that one. Clear midsole there. You can see some of that red going through. And very dope, man. I'm glad that I got these, man. We can go ahead and get the right boy. Right boy! Get the right boy up out of here, man. But glad to have got these, man. Very dope. But y'all know what we gotta do. Y'all know what we gotta do. Let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. Alright. Don't mind the fact that I'm wearing a Lakers jersey and I got on Oklahoma City house shoes. Don't mind that fact, okay? House shoes are comfortable. I'm chilling right now. I'm chilling. It's late at night over here. Don't mind the gear, alright? So let's go ahead and get these. Boom. And we're on feet. Just like that. Alright. Yeah, definitely for me, sticking with the dual laces. The dual laces. I think that is a very dope touch on these shoes to have the dual lacing. Very nice touch. Don't want to step on my laces. Boom. Oh, that looks good. That looks good like that. You gotta have both laces in there. That's a nice touch right there. Alright, so here we are. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering about the fit for these, I am a true size 13.5. In the Lebron 14s, I do not feel like I would want to go down to my true size. A 14 fits perfect. It fits perfect. My big toe is right here. I think if I were to go with a 13 or a 13.5, these would actually be a little bit too tight. So for me, 14 fits absolutely perfect. So I would recommend going half size up if you can. That's my recommendation. I'm coming at ya. Coming at ya. Boom. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. These most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval for sure, because these are just too sweet. If you didn't get these, man, if you passed for whatever reason, slap yourself in the face. Go to your local Foot Locker, go to Nike.com, go to wherever you pick up kicks and get you a pair of these. These also match with the Lakers jersey. So, you know, if you got a Lakers jersey, then go ahead and get you some of these. They go perfectly with it. I am by no means a Lakers fan. I have this jersey because of the name that's on the back, not because the name on the front. I am a LeBron fan. That's my favorite player. So I have a jersey of his from whatever team he plays for. So that's this. I am a Charlotte Hornets fan, but LeBron's my favorite player. Even back in the day, Shaq used to be my favorite player. So I have a jersey for him in Orlando. I have his Lakers jersey. It's what it is, man. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. More content is on the way. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.